Bilki Knowledge. Hi, I am Bilki. Today I want to share success story of Nykaa. Nykaa is an Indian e-commerce company founded by Falguni Nair in 2012 and headquartered in Mumbai. It sells beauty, wellness and fashion products through websites and mobile apps, also 76 offline stores. Falguni Nair, a former managing director at Kotak Mahindra Capital Company. Nykaa launched as e-commerce portal curating a range of beauty and wellness products. In 2015, a company expanded from online only to an omni-channel model and began selling fashion products. In 2018, the company launched Nykaa Man, India's first multi-brand commerce store for men's grooming. The company expanded into fashion by launching Nykaa Design Studio, which has renamed to Nykaa Fashion. In 2020, Nykaa launched Nykaa Pro. It's a premium membership program that provides users special access to professional beauty products and offers via Nykaa app. In December 2020, Nykaa Fashion launched its first fashion store in Delhi, making the fashion business omni-channel. Now, check out the operations and services of Nykaa. Nykaa follows an inventory-based model with warehouses in Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Haryana, Kolkata, and Bangalore. In 2020, in addition to its primary e-commerce business, it has offline presence via 76 brick and mortar stores across the country. It claims have over 2 lakh products across 2000 brands. It has 3 offline stores formats called Nykaa Look, Nykaa On Trend and Nykaa Beauty Kisos. Now coming for House of Brands. Nykaa has a series of in-house brands within beauty and fashion. Some of them include Nykaa House of Brands, Nykaa Fashion. In 2015, Nykaa launched its collection of in-house beauty products via Nykaa Cosmetics and later expanded it across categories of eyes, nails, face, lips. The Nykaa Naturals profit flow is collection of skincare and personal care products. In 2019, the brand launched its Wanderlust bath and body collection and later in the year introduced a beauty line with the iconic designer Masaba Gupta, Masaba by Nykaa. Okay, next, security and privacy issues. On 18 November 2019, an API flaw was detected in Nykaa Fashion's internal system that allowed a potential attacker to log in to any user account if the attacker has access to the user email ID. This could potentially have put users' data at risk of being hijacked. Consequently, the company fixed the security vulnerability. Finally, activities. Since 2015, Nykaa has hosted the Nykaa Femina Beauty Awards in partnership with Human Lifestyle magazine Femina. In 2019, Nykaa Fashion launched the Power List in partnership with Vogue India. Okay, that's all. Keep support to our channel. Please hit a like button. Thank you.